7 facts and secrets from dermatologists that you should know. Dermatology is defined as the branch of medicine that deals with the treatment and diagnosis of skin disorders. The human skin, on average, covers an area of 2 square meters. It accounts for 15% of your body weight, and on average weighs about 9 pounds, with 11 miles of blood vessels too. So it's no surprise that dermatologists have to deal with a person's entire body. Given this requirement, dermatologists are sure to see and hear a lot of stories. Because dermatologists deal with all things skin, there are certain things they are used to seeing or hearing every single day. Well, what if we told you that there are certain things that dermatologists think we should know, but never actually tell us? That's right. There are some secrets out there that most of us probably don't know about our skin and our skin care. For example, you may be surprised to find out that dermatologists don't like taking a quick look at weird moles, blemishes, or bumps. They say that friends, acquaintances, and sometimes even dates have a tendency to show them their weird skin thing. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this, and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Now, here are 7 secrets that dermatologists want you to know, and facts that they would never tell you.
Number 1. Sunscreen.
Dermatologists always advise the use of sunscreen. Sun damage isn't solely determined by the naked eye. A UV lamp would paint a much better picture. In the United States, melanoma kills 1 person every hour. This is why dermatologists always recommend using sunscreen, even if you'll be out in the sun for shorter periods of time. It protects your skin and will help you in the long run. Although this should be common knowledge, dermatologists say that most people don't actually know how dangerous the sun can be, and recommend wearing sunscreen for this very reason. There are all sorts of different reasons why you should wear sunscreen when you're out in the sun. Not only does your body need protection from the sun's harmful rays, but sunscreen can also help prevent skin discolorations as well as facial brown spots. Sunscreen can also reduce the appearance of veins and blotchiness, and even slows down aging skin. You heard that right, ladies. Wearing sunscreen can help slow down the development of wrinkles, and most importantly, scientists have discovered that cancer rates are significantly on the rise, and sunscreen is a proven method of reducing the risk of developing skin cancer. So lather on that sunscreen, folks, you won't regret it. Number 2. Dermatologists are doctors. Dermatologists are skincare doctors. They specialize in the care of the skin, the diagnosis and treatment of skin diseases, and more. They are required to go to medical school and treat medical conditions, and also perform operations for skin cancer such as melanoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and basal cell carcinomas. Dermatologists also deal with issues surrounding nails and hair. Melanoma, which is the deadliest form of skin cancer, can grow under the nails. Dermatologists also deal with problems involving cysts and even dandruff. Number 3. Infections can do a lot of damage to the body. The skin can be a marker for a lot of things that are going on inside your body. Vasculitis, for example, can be indicative of an infection, lupus, autoimmune disease, or rheumatoid arthritis. Some skin infections don't have the most pleasant smell. Fungal infections and oozing skin are not generally things that smell great, and pus that is drained from a cyst and an abscess can downright stink. A skin infection isn't the prettiest of things, and dermatologists know how ugly they can get. This is why they advise all their patients of the importance of their skin and their skin care routine, so that they can avoid the possibility of any type of infection. Surprised by some of these facts in this video so far? Keep watching for some even more interesting facts that dermatologists want us all to know. Number 4. Cleaning your face. It is always recommended to use a comedone, or a blackhead extractor tool, when getting rid of blackheads. Using your fingers to clean your face can leave your skin pinched or inflamed, and can also spread infections. Dermatologists also advise patients not to pick their scabs or pimples with their fingers. This only leads to scarring and puts more dirt and oil on the face or scab. Dermatologists recommend cleaning your face daily, exfoliating, and avoid touching your face with your hands at all costs. Cleaning your face doesn't have to be rough and violent, dermatologists say. It is recommended to use a mild, non-soap cleanser to wash your face about once or twice a day. Dermatologists also state that pore strips have limited effectiveness, but if they are too sticky, they can cause inflammation. One recommendation is to use salicylic acid gel, which will help get rid of and loosen blackheads. Another fact that dermatologists think you should know about your skincare routine is that microdermabrasion will temporarily smoothen the skin by removing superficial dead cells, but it won't create any long-lasting changes. And here's another news flash about cleaning your face that dermatologists want all of their patients to know. Most do-it-yourself dermatology treatments don't actually work. Items such as microcurrent devices or pore vacuums don't actually solve skin problems, and instead, dermatologists recommend using sunscreen every morning and moisturizing during the day and at night. Number 5. Expensive doesn't always mean the best. This is a secret that the beauty industry has been trying to hide from people for years. The truth is, the most expensive moisturizers aren't always the best ones. Dermatologists recommend instead looking for ones that have ceramides, because they are one of the 3 types of fats that can help the skin retain water and thus moisture. So don't fall for the hype, folks. Instead of buying the most expensive skincare product, look at the labels of each product and buy to make sure that you are buying a product that will actually help your skin, regardless of the price tag. Number 6. Drink water, and lots of it. This may seem like common knowledge, but believe it or not, most people don't know the importance of staying hydrated. There are all sorts of benefits to drinking water. Not only does it flush out toxins and improve your complexion, but it also provides people with energy, boosts their immune system, helps with weight loss, and can help even reduce the appearance of blemishes on your face. Be sure to get in your daily 8 cups of water every single day. It is great for your skin and your overall health, and you'll notice a difference in just a matter of days. Number 7. Shaving. Shaving hair, whether for men or women, does not cause it to come back thicker. Dermatologists recommend not shaving when possible, as it can irritate the skin and cause ingrown hairs. Shaving also dries out your skin if not properly done, and can leave welts, marks, and cuts all over your skin. If you do shave, dermatologists recommend buying a good quality razor and not reusing razors multiple times, as they can become dull and can collect quite a bit of bacteria. If you notice any rusting on your razor, it's time for a change. Your skin will thank you. If you don't have the best skincare regimen, it's time to start one. Dermatologists recommend exfoliating twice a week, staying hydrated, and wearing sunscreen whenever you are in the sun. Dermatologists love the feeling of being able to help a child or an adult's skin problems that have caused them shyness or anxiety out in public. In some cases, some treatments can create rapid changes that leave the patient feeling more confident and less self-conscious than before. All they ask is that you take care of your skin and take the proper precautions when being out in the sun. If you know that you're going to spend a long day out in the sun, always make sure that you wear sunscreen. It will protect your skin from harmful UV rays and help you reduce the risk of developing cancer. If you notice any changes in your health or your skin, be sure to visit a dermatologist to rule out any possible health concerns. Remember, you are in control of many things which can help improve your health and prevent illness or cancer. If you need help or have any questions about taking care of your skin, contact a dermatologist today. What other facts or secrets about skincare do you know that aren't in this video? Let us know by commenting below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.